Hey everybody, hello, how y'all doing? You A-okay in your neck of the woods? What up, manners and respect. Hey your girl, Debbie from down here. In a few days now since we not post nothing, but I don't know it got some time. All kind of little things we have to do wrong. So anyway, we're doing a little video right here now. It's the first in a series of want to show the ladies them especially how you can utilize some of your little countertop appliances them. Show you what them can do otherwise away from other certain little things. So right here we have half a chicken that has been cleaned, washed and all of those things. Right? Get right in. We have the skin on. We're gonna do a little pot roast. So right here we're going to show you how you prepare it. So we have a knife, half of it. We're going to do a pot roast chicken. So we start get a few slices till we reach the bone. The leg and the thigh, slice it down. Put a few pokes inside the breast part, because you know this, so it always stick. Yeah? And the wing. All the thicker parts, you insert some slots inside of it so it can go through. Okay? Right onto the breast here, you notice it have a little cavity. Right? So, we're going to see if we can get one somewhere down in the leg here. So, we want one. Yeah, we get it. Okay. Watch me now. You know chicken, it have this bacteria, high bacteria content, high level. So we're gonna use one hand to put in the seasoning and the other to hold the bottles. Right here I have my seasoning blend, seasoning mix. Yeah, and we have some parsley, dry parsley. We don't want to use the hand where we use for touch the chicken. We don't want to use it for touch nothing else with the contamination. You understand? So we're trying. Alright. Everything up now. Alright. We have 3 pegs of crushed garlic. We're going to find each cavity and we'll put one. We have a piece of ginger. We're going to put one. We have some onion. See it? Like how we do it? So we're going to try to insert one in there. Alright. We're going to find another cavity down here. And with 1 onion, 1 garlic, 1 ginger. We had one round here in the breast. Ginger, onion, garlic. Right? We're going to rinse off for hand. So we are trying not to make the seasoning something them contaminated. First and foremost, we're going to put on some. We now measure the seasoning in the family. Some I'm a parsley. Right? So we're gonna lift up the arms them. Oh, now come out through the cavity, no problem. We soon find somewhere to put them. Turn them over. Turn it over rather with some dry parsley. We're gonna put on some seasoning blend. Wrong side up. Small amount of salt because the seasoning blend has in some salt. But we're going to turn. Yeah. We're going to put on some paprika for some color. We need some coloring. We need it to have a color. So we're going to put on some color with the paprika. And the paprika is mostly for coloring. Alright, we have it all done. Right here we have with little skillet, which is a little countertop skillet. So inside of it, I have about a tablespoon of oil, chicken oil, right? So it's on keep one. So we're going to notch it up to, we have it at 325, right? That is being preheated. So at the moment now, we're going to rub in this, we're going to massage in this. Wherever you find a slot, you put back your herbs and something right back in. As we have lots and lots of different slots. So we're going massage. We're going to massage. You see the color? Get right in. Let them see the color. Right in. Under the arms or wings or wherever. Put in back your herbs. Stuff it back. You're treat it like a whole chicken. You know, you're roasting a half a chicken. So you're going to treat it, pot roast it. So you're going to put back your stuff in. You use it and go right around and you clean out and make sure everything clean. Like this. Okay? That's it. I'm going to wash my hands. So you know the chicken thing. Get right in. Washing my hands properly. So, we smell with skillet and it smells like it's ready. More than ready. Over here, right here, we have one that we did. Get right in on this ahead of time. Because we're going to leave this to soak. Look at this. Get right in on them. This was the one that we did ahead of time. And this is the one that we're doing now. Right in. Okay. So now, we're going to lift this one and put it on, not the skin side. Look at me. You hold it like this now, and you get it right in. Every little thing that has been there, you just take your time and you pour it right over in there. So we're gonna get going. So let me wash my hands again. This is how you have to treat the poultry in a family. Poultry, fish. Basically about, them keep saying poultry, but they're not talking about fish and pork. They carry, especially pork, they carry a whole lot of bacteria, you know. Right? But they keep, it's just about any meat. So you have it there, and you're gonna let it stay there for about the next 40 minutes. Or the 35 minutes, 16, 17 minutes on each side. And after the next 15, you keep watching it to know if you have to. Remember, I told you I'm at 325 on this. Right? So feel free, your manufacturer, your brand, whatever. You know, because you're roasting. So, you see, get right in on it at MC. Right? You're roasting, it's not too high and it's not too low. So probably in the next 15 minutes you'll come to test it. Right? So you come now and with your fork, the next 15 minutes you would come to test it to see what it looks like. Right? We start. So we have the paprika because you need some color. Notice me never season it up with any browning or any soya sauce. It's gonna roast and take its own color. Right? Right there. And as you go along, you turn it over and you base it with a little water. Just a small amount of water. Maybe like 2 each time you go and you turn it over. You base it with like 2 or 3 tablespoons of hot water, not cold water. So we're gonna give some time, and when we return, we are gonna show you what the finished product looks like. Okay? We are back. 35 going about 38 minutes. Get right in. I had my water there with my spoon that I was using to base my warm water. Yeah. Get right in. We're back. We'll come back. Yeah. We'll come right back. We're gonna use a 2-teeth fork to test for doneness. Right? We're gonna test inside of the areas that are mostly thick. So we'll put the fork right in, and you see it go right in, and when it come out, you don't see any water. The camera come and see me I lick my finger. There you have it. For skillet, we turned the skillet down to about 275. After about 17-18 minutes, we had to lower the skillet. So please make a note of that, family. We lowered our skillet. Now, this is what it looks like. Okay? So I'm going to take it out. You use now, because you want to get it out. You want to get your spatula under it. you want it to come out just like how you put it in there. Half of a roast chicken. So we want to get this. You have to be careful now, you know, because it might just break and we don't want it to break. Right? So you get your spatula onto it and you come and you have your serving plate and you drop it right there. Get right on to it, let them see it. Right on. And there you have it. Pot roast chicken inside your electric countertop skillet. We're going to turn off. Right? Give them, let them just continually look, let them have a shot. Right? Give them a shot. See, inside the skillet here, family, you have the oil. If you want to make some gravy, you can scoop out all of these. Not a lot though, you know, because you know this is the residue and everything from it. So you can maybe throw off a little of your oil and make your gravy of choice. That is if you need gravy, because you can serve this up with about anything. Maybe if you're using rice, you don't want gravy, but for like rolls, festivals and stuff, you wouldn't want any gravy. I don't want any gravy with this, but in case you're using rice or mashed potatoes or anything, you can make your gravy inside there and serve it up with it. All right. So you see what we did just for decoration, and what I did here, I just went ahead and I steamed. I went ahead and I steamed a few okras to put with it. Just that. I steamed a few okras to put with it. Right? It's for serving, because this is nice with, as I tell you, just about anything. This is good. So just for lightness, me just want to keep it light. So me just went about and I steamed some okras, and family, see what it look like. All who afraid of the slime is from the okra, you can steam it like that and you don't get the slime. So there you have it. Your pot roast chicken inside your countertop skillet. Okay? And if you like this little video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel and you'd like to do so, go right ahead. I'll thank you and be grateful. And family, please share the videos with a friend. Let a friend tell another friend, a co-worker, and help me to see how fast I can get to 100 subscribers. Please do that for me. I'm holding you to that. I'll be so, so grateful. Right? So once more, from my kitchen to yours, roast chicken inside your countertop electric skillet. From my kitchen again to yours, enjoy. Alright? And remember, please give the videos a thumbs up if you think they so deserve it. Leave your comments below. Alright? And let's get in. Let's grow together. Listen me man. A Debbie from Dongayard. Cut me a cut.